My dear children, yesterday I had recited the poem Children Are Going to School. Today I am going to explain you the passages or the verses of the poem. Children are going to school. The introduction part, the poem highlights the reaction of different elements of nature at the sight of children going to school. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again, the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. What does that paragraph mean? The first para tells us when the morning light is spreading over this earth everywhere, the sky is bowing his head in respect, for children are going to school. The next paragraph. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. The second paragraph describes about the sun is beautifully described by the poet. He says that after the sun's morning dip in the river, that means the shadow which falls in the river of the sun, it is dressed up in the golden muslin. What do you mean by muslin? It is a kind of soft cotton cloth. In golden muslin turban, it waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. It is describing that the children are every day going to school, and it is bowing his head. Next para. Though the green top branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings, fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy road with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hands, for children are going to school. What does this passage tells us about, or what this verse tells us about? The poet conveys the happiness of all the elements of nature at the sight of children are going to school. The green top branches, the breezes means the waves, the air which is going on, the breeze which is swinging along, the songs of blessings, the fragrant flowers awaken, they get up in the morning, the sleepy rose, even the rose which is asleep, even they got up with the melodies as the children are going to school. As the children are walking to school, each and everyone got up from their sleep. Angels of light have set out, every road is a gleam. At this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. What does this passage mean? Angels of light having set out. The angels of light have set out, and so every road is shining bright. Each and every road is shining very bright. The poet has compared the throbbing, the heartbeat of every particle of the earth to the throb of a mother's heart. When children go to school, the mother feels that my child should come back home safe. They express their happiness in different ways as the children find their way to school. My dear children, you have to recite the poem, you have to write down the poem, as well as I'll give you the short summary. Even that you have to write it down. I'll explain you very short in this poem. What does this poem tells again? What is the paragraph or paraphrase? In this happy poem, nature is shown to be pleased that children are going to school. The poet says that morning light is spreading over the earth. The sky Once again is bowing his head in respect because children are going to school. The son, after his morning dip in the river, is dressed up in his turban of golden muslin cloth. He waits and smiles on one side of the road because the children are going to school. The breeze, the moving of the green grass or branches of the trees, they are singing songs or the blessings. Even the flowers having a pleasant smell, very sweet smell, make the sleepy roads awake with the songs. At the corner of the lane, that means at a corner of the lane, the peepal tree from under his green leafy cover waves his hands. He says, bye bye children. For each and every children, those who are going to school. The angels of light have set out. They made each and every road shine very brightly. At this hour, every particle of the earth beats like a mother's heart. Time is sitting on an old roof, making the pigeons. You know what are pigeons? They fly in the air. Why? Because the children are going to school. This poem is translated from Bacche School Ja Rahe Hai. It is written by Nida Fazli. My dear children, I'll explain you some of more meanings. Muslin, I told you, it's a kind of a soft cotton cloth. Foliage, it is the greenery leaves and branches of a plant. A gleam, it is the shining bright. Particle means a very small piece of something. Throbs, beats with a strong or regular rhythm. Over here, lush means covered with healthy grass and plants. Fragrant means having a sweet smell. So I'll give you the notes. You have to copy down the notes as well as the worksheet. Thank you.